This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off the pop-up blocker on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To turn on or off the pop-up blocker, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right down here, Block Pop-up Windows. By default, that should be checked. That means you're blocking pop-up windows, but you can uncheck it and you can allow pop-up windows. But if you have it checked, it gives you another option. You can go off to the right. You could block pop-up windows, but you can make exceptions. You click on Exceptions. You could add a website in here. If you wanted a particular website to allow pop-ups, add the URL in here. Then you would click on Allow, and you would go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. That is how to turn on or off the pop-up blocker in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.